Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install WhatsApp application in your Windows laptop or PC. So it is very easy and simple. So you are going to type in the search here and you are going to type store and you will see Microsoft Store. You are going to open this one and then you will see here the search bar. You are going to click here and you just type WhatsApp and here you will find many applications. You can install the WhatsApp beta if you want, or you can simply just install the original one, the WhatsApp, the normal one. You click here. For me it is already installed, but for you, you will find here get, and it is free to download it. You just click on that get and the installation will start, and once it's finished you will see this button open. You can open it, log into your account and use it for your laptop. And if you can't find it here in your home desktop, you just simply can click on the search. You will see, you type WhatsApp and then you will find the application here, and you will find some other options like you can pin it to taskbar. You will find it here down, or you can just create a shortcut and it will be in your desktop. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.